Hey guys, it's Cassy with Shear Productions. This is my beautiful model, Caitlin. We're going to show you a quick and easy beach DIY hairstyle using a topsy tail. I like to use topsy tails a lot in my styles with brides, bridesmaids, and even just like on yourself. You can do in a lot of variations. But we'll just show you like a half up, half down quick little tutorial today. So I always like to leave the face frame hair down. Most people don't like their hair pulled straight back unless, if I were to pull any hair back from the front, I would pull this back and then just kind of leave this down to still frame their face. But we're going for like a really beachy and like salty hair textured vibe, so we're definitely gonna leave a lot of hair down in the front. So I'm just gonna take some hair like right above like her ears. Just gonna shape the hair. She does have extensions, so I want to leave some of those little front pieces down. We can always kind of pull the sides just to cover up that weft. So I'm just gonna do like a little ponytail right here. Wrap it about 2 or 3 times. I'm gonna pull it, and I'm just gonna make a little hole right in the middle and flip it under. And then I'm just gonna pull these hairs right in here just to make the twist look a little bit thicker. Now I'm gonna might have to pin that down just because it's kind of kicking up a little bit. I'm gonna take hair from underneath that little twist I just did and make another ponytail. Do the same thing, go through this little hole in the middle and flip it under. Kind of flip it back out. And if you feel like your elastic's showing, you can always just kind of tighten that right up there. Just kind of play with it and pull on it. If you feel like anything's too high, you can push it down, push it up. Pull these little pieces out in the top. And above that, I'm gonna do one more little twist. I'm gonna make sure I'm still leaving enough hair on the sides and in the front. So if you want to like move that out of your way so you don't pick it up, kind of section it off. Same thing, flip it right back under. Super simple, super cute, DIY. You could even do this on a bridesmaid's half up, half down. And if you wanted to make it in an entire braid, you can just continue that same pattern all the way through, and it'll give you almost like a more intricate looking fishtail braid, but extra secure. So I really like to do that also on like flower girls and younger girls that might be jumping around a lot, just because it is so secure with those elastics. Super cute beach day. And I want to add like just a little extra something. So I'm going to add just like a little like Dutch braid right here on the side. A little like peekaboo braid. So I'm going to take 3 strands, and I'm going to I'm not going to pick up any extra hair. I'm just going to cross them underneath the middle piece. Just going right under the middle. And I think I'm gonna leave this one a little tighter, just because we are going for like that beachy vibe. But you could absolutely pancake it apart and make it super thick and fluffy if you wanted to. Or even do one like underneath, and that could be really cute too. So we continue all the way down, keeping it tight in the middle, and just going underneath the middle strand. Just kind of pull it apart just a little bit. I don't want to pancake it, make it super fluffy. Just wanted to have like that 3D effect. I love that. I want to keep going. I want to add another one doing the exact same thing. Just make it a little bit shorter. So you have like a long one and a short one to give you two kind of like variations. So 3 strands again, and just going under the middle strand. I think that's cute right there, so I'm just going to go ahead and tie that off. Love that. I'm going to add just one more just right here on the bottom, and that way if she pulls her hair forward, it'll kind of go either way, so to the back or underneath. And same style, Dutch braid, just going underneath the middle strand again. Super cute, simple DIY beach, like could be a bow style. You can add hair accessories to it. You could keep this part going down all the way in the back and even like incorporate this into some of that. That could be fun to do. But I like it, just like a little simple beachy boho babe. Ooh. Forward and kind of see that little braid peek go through. Super cute.